Hi, Gemini. Gabrielle here. Welcome. I'm playing with different introductions. We'll see, right? Thank you for watching. I should say that in the beginning of the video instead of the end. Please like, subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and share, okay? If you want to. What's that other thing? Hit the notification bell. Right. You can hit me up, intuitivedownloads19@gmail.com. Right. Instagram and Facebook, Busy Bee Digital. Yeah. There. You see it? Yeah, you see it. Now, as soon as I was like looking at my little cheat sheet, it was like, ooh, who's next? Gemini. I heard the plane, right? So either y'all on some fantasy island shit, or y'all literally like the plane. Either you're gonna miss your flight, it's gonna be canceled. Nobody's really flying right now unless you're working. And I know a lot of companies are, you know, trying to eliminate as much air travel right now as humanly possible. So I don't know if that's your situation, but you might want to check your time, your flights, make sure your shit's still going, you know, either that or you're really enjoying this whole, I can't move, I gotta stay home, let me just chill, be in the cave, you know what I mean? People don't really associate Geminis with hermit energy, but one of my better friends, right, he's a Gemini through and through, and he's the true definition of a hermit. Like, he can literally just stay cooped up in his little world infinitely. So maybe that's what that is, but I definitely heard the little guy go, the plane. I was like, fantasy island, alright. So let's do your reading, Gemini, for the season of Aries. Excuse me, my hair's in my face. Yeah, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising for the season of Aries, or Ascendant if you prefer that term. Anyway, don't mind me. Yep, I'm human. Sometimes you catch me bugging out doing human shit. Yep. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Holy Spirit. Messages for those who need them. Thank you. I feel very direct with you guys, you know? Very direct. I know that's Aquarius or any high-vibing air sign, but I feel like that's where you are in your mind space, that King of Swords sort of energy where you're like maybe overthinking, maybe too far down your own rabbit hole. Oh shit. Some of you have been deep into the mystery systems in schools through this process. I feel like some of y'all are fighting some truth. Like you're trying to block the truth. You can't block the truth. The truth is, okay? The truth is. Who doesn't want to be successful? I think you need to be confident in that. And it's okay for you to feel at ease with your independence. I feel like you are heavily tapped in. Oh, I know why. Because we just went through that Virgo full moon. Duh. So you guys are still very tapped into the mercurial energy. It hasn't subsided. But what it's done, right? See this? Right. It's got you thinking a little different about love and relationships, I see. And your independence and, you know, the balance therein. Did your twins meet? Alright, one more. That wasn't even a good shuffle, so one more. Know what's going on. I wasn't licking my lips this much during the Taurus reading. What's going on with y'all? You're dehydrated? Knight of Wands. 7 of Swords. Page of Wands. This little Page of Wands has been busy. King of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8 of Swords. Moon. Star. 9 of Cups. There she is. 9 of Pentacles, right? And the Magician. There you are. Wow, that's double Mercury. Bottom of deck. King of Wands. Interesting. Gemini, can we talk? I just had a conversation with somebody about how tired I am of people hiding in the spiritual closet, you know, tiptoeing around their gifts and shit. Right. Sidestepping them conversations. Not in the age of Aquarius, my lovelies. Doesn't work that way. It's okay. It's okay to own the fact that you are able to create and co-create the opportunities and success that you have achieved. But that's a side note. You done mastered some shit. Yeah, you did. You done mastered some things to the point where you can now start to, make a little money with it, if you so choose. I feel like for some of y'all, I don't know what orders you're involved in, but it's graduation day. This some shit you've been waiting on for a long time, too. Moon Star, Nine of Cups. That's a lot of quiet, hitting, please let me get it. It's a lot of that. So, you've been ready for this. I still stand by this whole dipping and dodging and trying to run from this for a while. Always in search, always in search. If I can have a napkin. I do. Excuse me. I feel like they're asking for a commitment. Whatever you're involved in. I feel like you have been pilfering knowledge. Really, because look, King of Wands is here, right? Look at this. Page, Knight. Only one missing is the Queen. So I see this as a masculine energies growth. For some of y'all, somebody lied about their age. No, really. This person is younger than they said they were. Period. That's a special little message, Gemini. Special little message. This person, that's funny, I picked some of that up in Aries. Interesting. But they were legal. Like, this was just an age gap for them. This shit's different. This person lied. They're underage. Watch yourself. You're a grown-ass person. They look more mature than they are. It's a glamour. It's a glamour. Okay? Careful. You better... there's a reason. Okay, we got to keep going with this. There, right? Right, you're a very emotionally mature, aware person. Even for air sign, you are. You're very because Jekyll and Hyde, there's two twins. So one of them twins has to be connected to the emotional side, right? And there was something within you that made you hesitate, right? You didn't want to put your foot in that water. Close to the edge, but you ain't touch it. Good job for not touching it. Good job, because this person's hot in the ass. It start with the night, y'all. They hot in the ass. That's why they seem more mature. You are not the first person, or you would not have been the first person they had been with. Straight up. I feel like there was a reason, like there was some confusion. I don't really see the Seven of Cups as ever a good card, because none of those items in any of those cups look worth a damn. Not one. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. I should shut the door. Tissue. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No. And the way it's lined up with the King of Cups, Seven of Cups, I see it as you should be walking away. There's a reason why you were holding yourself back with that Eight of Swords there, and you should be moving past that. Something ain't right about this. Follow your intuition. Even though I know this really is something you want, though, don't do it. If it looked too good to be true, it probably is. Look how he's sitting in front of it, but his hands are crossed. Like, I don't know. I'm hearing old King Cole was a very old soul, and a very old soul was he. I have no idea what that reference is to this. Wow, okay. Maybe maybe then last name Cole, last name King, first name Cole, first name King. I don't know. Maybe this person's a performer. Old soul. When I think of old souls, I think of people in the arts, singers, things like that. Poets and writers, you know what I mean? Yep. I want you to know, if it seems too good to be true, it is, especially in this situation. But for those of you who are about to graduate, right? You've been waiting on this for a while. You had just started to question whether or not you've invested your time, effort, and energy, passion. Magicians here. You're wondering if you invested your resources in the right endeavor. It was looking like you had reached, as high of a plateau as you could with this, and no, you hadn't. You're always going to be tested, but I feel like that was the test itself. Whether or not you were going to be able to put all that energy into it to manifest this the way you wanted it to. Really? Okay. Yeah, leave the young buck alone. Okay. I feel like you've done this before. I think. Look, there you go. Gemini, the lovers, right there. I feel like you're trying to block this out, right? You're like, It's like a temptation or something like that. Like, here you go. Take this. But you know you're going to end up regretting it. Because you just know this person is not. It's your intuition, man. It's like, you think, Like, you're like, I'm a grown-ass man. Look at that shit. I also see, like, with these two cards, it's like, you know it's not of God. You know, this can't be right. Like, it's something about that. Like, this is what you're looking for. This is what you want. Like, you've done a lot of work. And that's what part of this manifestation is. And it's like, you're not going to deal with this lying-ass young person. Who's only ever caused you delays. Real specific. Like, this person has left you jammed up more than a little bit. But you've allowed it, though. No victims here. Like, you've allowed this person to, you know, run interference, you know. Yeah, because, you know, if you do this, I feel like I really do feel like it's would be a repeat. And it would involve the law this time. Like, you would, I feel like they would throw the book at you. Because it wouldn't be your first time. Go ahead and walk away for that. Because you know what's right and what's wrong. There's a better course. I can't wait when we go back to that. I was talking about something else, about some next level initiation was what I was trying to get to. And I feel like you've been waiting on that for a minute, you know, with all this energy you've invested. But like I said, that was a test within itself. They didn't forget. No, they didn't forget. Tissue. Yep. Y'all energy feels so scattered to me. Y'all feel real fucking sketchy to me, honestly. Because I'm like, yeah. Some of y'all actually are experiencing some sort of imbalance here. Too much alcohol, not enough water. I think how much, this is specific, I hope for only one person, or none, how much you're drinking is starting to show. Like, you're looking dry. Drink some water. I feel like you've worked really hard to get to where you are. Stay focused on it. Don't get distracted by some pretty little bird. Fifi. That's y'all reading, boo. Don't get distracted by a pretty little bird. Love you.